κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Here we are. What we got for today? We got a Moto Guzzi 750 SP of the 90s, at the start of the 90s. This is a model that's existing, of course, from the 80s, and this is, let's be a little bit inside the age of this motorcycle. Let's say that at the 70s we have a big Moto Guzzi with motocross bikes, with trail bikes, with enduro bikes, with four-in-line bikes, with single bikes, with of course many V bikes, and everything you wish to have is made by Moto Guzzi at the 70s. At the 80s the thing is starting to going a little bit down, you know, because then at the 80s mostly we have V engines and nothing else. We got of course some famous motorcycles at the 80s. We got like a V65 Lario, we got a V750, we got of course V35 2, and we got many enduro bikes. We got the NTX, we got the single two-stroke TT, we got also a kind of chopper TT, we got the California, we got many bikes. The point is, after the 80s, the Moto Guzzi is starting to end. And in this try to do not finish, we got this motorcycle, the Moto Guzzi 750 SP. Is it a nice motorcycle? Yes, of course it's a nice motorcycle. Why it's a nice motorcycle? Because it's a motorcycle that you can be on it, you can move every day in the city, you can make a round of the world, and you can do it all those with a bike that you can trust it. Because this is a trustful bike. This is a well-equipped bike, and you got this fairing that it's a very big windscreen, with a very big windscreen, I'm sorry, that is protect you from the water, from the air, from everything. You feel amazing comfortable on it. Take a look. I am sitting on it and I am feel very, very comfortable. Everything is in a correct position. I have those clocks front of me that looks more like a Fiat, but it's a clock of motorcycles. We got these mirrors that also looks that they are coming from Fiat, but it's from motorcycle. But anyway, I am comfortable. I am very comfortable and I can move very easy. So, also, let's say now that I want to make the round of the world with my wife. Georgia, please come. So.
This is a seat, a royal seat. Oh,
So Georgia, do you feel comfortable?
of course.
Of course, you feel comfortable. So everything is lovely. Everything is lovely.
Ah.
We got a single stand, we got a double stand, we got a simple steppers for the second rider. Sorry, and we got also a nice plastic steppers with rubber. I mean, for me. So
Fantastic.
we have a shaft back. We have a lovely motorcycle. Yeah. Κατέβα. Φύγε.
Κάνουμε.
Okay. Battery, clock, lot of biblikia, not fuel counter, just a bibliki, alarm, what is this, and RPM counter. Very trustful, as you can see. The same happened with a clock also. And anyway, it's a lovely. I love it. Tack. Okay, the truth is that the brake we got, it's elegant brakes, because we got a Brembo brakes on it. Of course, it's not going as the Japanese and the European sometimes brakes of the season, because at 90s we have already golden Brembos, we got Nissin, we got many expensive brakes with 4-piston caliber and sometimes with 6-piston caliber. But here we got a simple Brembo brakes with double piston caliber from each side, and we got a tough Brembo disc that still are new. Quality, very good quality, and we got also a disc brake back that is nice covered with a shaft. So I consider that for this performance of this motorcycle we got more than excellent brakes. So you can live every day, even today, with those brakes. They are lovely. Okay, we got a V2 typical Moto Guzzi engine that for the 90s, as is today in our age, was not a good performance engine, very backing performance. But it's a trustful engine, simple engine, air cool, lovely. We got two Delotto carburetors of 30, we got 61.6 Nm at 5,600 RPM, that I can found them, and we got also 58 horses at 7,300 RPM that I'm still trying to find where is it. We got 5-speed, we got a gearbox that is little bit noisy, you know, little bit old anyway. We got shaft, and we got a bike that is somewhere around 170, 108 kilos dry, and I consider it surprised me because it's a 750 cubics, but it's too light. That makes this bike lovely for every kind of use. And this engine, trustful for every one of us. Nice. Okay, everything is in correct position. I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I'm well protected, and this bike is lovely. Now the sound, it's vibrations and lovely bass sound, I love it. Now let's see the gearbox. A gearbox, it's okay. Let's go. Final result, this is a lovely bike, this is a comfortable bike that you are love to ride. Quality, it's an old bike, metal made, plastics, soft plastics, it looks good. We got the Koni, here are adjusters, we got Magotchi, we got the Lordoth, simple things, lovely. So, Georgia, please come with me. What about this motorcycle? Do you want a motorcycle that you can move every day in the city and you can make trips not around the city, around your country? Of course not the round of the world, but you can go to our neighbors, from Greece to Italy, to Turkey, to Slavian countries, to Romania, to Yugoslavia, to Serbia anyway, Croatia, Albania, everywhere. So this is lovely for all those things. It's trustful, it's very low profile motorcycle, and I like it. So I am very positive in this motorcycle. You're here. What do you think about it?
I think that I like it. I sit on and I cruise, you know, with my own time, and I like the feeling of it.
Okay.
Also, I like these clocks. I like these clocks.
It's like a car.
I don't care. I like them.
Okay. So, anyway, so this is Ioannis and Georgia for κόκκινα φεγγάρια.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Άντε να δούμε.
Θα βγάλω τώρα ποιοτικά, τώρα εγώ το καλώδιο από εδώ, ποιοτικά, σαν το Χατζηνικολάου ένα πράγμα, κοίτα εδώ, κοίτα.
Τελείωνε.
Ποιοτικά θα κάνω το κεφάλι έτσι.
Άντε μπράβο.
Ναι. Και το μεταξύ κάθε φορά που κλείνω βίντεο το ίδιο αστείο κάνω, έτσι, αλλά μου αρέσει να το κάνω.
Ακριβώς.
Ναι, αλλά μου αρέσει πολύ.
Σου αρέσει πάρα πολύ.